Jesse?
All right, here we go. We got a lot to talk about with the heat and the tropics too. The high today was 98 degrees. We did not hit 100 today. We've had that happen twice this year, yesterday being one and last Sunday being the other. 108 is the record high. It was back in 1980, and 81 was the low this morning. Right now it's 98, but this is the nasty part, I think, more than anything. It's very humid. Dew points in the low 70s, so it's really sticky outside, so the feels like temperature is 107. Here we have a heat advisory in effect. This is for tomorrow. We had an excessive heat warning today. Heat advisories will remain in effect across all of North Texas through tomorrow evening. I fully expect that to be extended not only into the beginning part of the week, but at least through the 4th of July holiday, the day after, maybe even going into that weekend too before we get a little bit of relief. Heat advisories across most of the state. There you go. 100 tomorrow, 101 Monday, 102 Tuesday. 4th of July still looks dry, 100. Wednesday, Kaboomtown and Addison, that looks dry, but very warm, very hot. Warm is not the correct word. 101, that's the temperature on Wednesday. It'll feel like 107 when you factor in the humidity, the normal high this time of the year, 94. All right, to the tropics. This area of thunderstorm activity has about a 40% chance of becoming organized enough to become the next named system, which would be Chris. Then we have this one here, which is Hurricane Beryl, and behind it, another system that has about a 40% chance of becoming the next named system. There it is, the very latest on Beryl. It has winds of 75 miles per hour. It's a Category 1 hurricane with wind gust up to 90. It's about 720 miles east-southeast of Barbados. So we already have hurricane watches. Yellow shaded area here, tropical storm watches, even hurricane warning here across the Lesser Antilles. This hurricane is expected to become a major hurricane by the time it makes landfall here near Barbados or maybe even a little bit farther to the south. This is the area near Trinidad and Tobago to the north from Barbados, Martinique. Watch the track of Beryl as it moves to the west. Category 2 hurricane, possibly as soon as tonight, certainly by tomorrow morning or afternoon. There's 1 p.m. tomorrow with winds of 105. A Category 3, which is a major hurricane rolling through the Lesser Antilles by Sunday evening. By Monday, by Monday morning, by Monday afternoon, it's on the other side. That's 1 p.m. with winds of 120 miles per hour. Then as it moves into the Caribbean, it's expected to maintain that near Category 3 strength. Jamaica in the path of this one as of now, or at least at risk of being in the path, with winds of 105 miles per hour, Category 2. Then we have to watch carefully where it goes from there. Right now, a lot of the data does bring this into the Yucatan, but what happens after? I want to show you where some of these models bring, each line is an individual model, okay? So you see a lot of them do kind of converge into the Yucatan, then some bring Beryl back into the Gulf of Mexico. It will certainly have weakened a little bit if it moves over the Yucatan, but we'll have to see very, very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, what would happen after that. Something to keep an eye on. You're looking, though, after the 4th of July here, so make sure you stay tuned if you have any plans to travel along the Gulf Coast. Tonight, 82, dry, warm, and muggy. Tomorrow, 100. A heat index up to 110. Same old story for us. I have some good news, and I want to show you that. Look after the 4th of July. Wow. It's not much, but you know what? It's a chance of rain, and it's a high of 93.
I mean, that looks much better than a high of 101.
It's this time of the year, beggars cannot be choosers, as they say.
That's true, most definitely. All right, Jesse, thank you so much.